Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 7. Dear students, here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. Today is lecture number 4, Starter, and the name of the lesson is Adventures of Isabel, page number 4. As we have already studied the text of the poem and we have also done the questions and answers, now we'll start with part B. The question is find words in the poem that have the same meaning as the following. As you can see, there are 10 phrases on the left side of the page. These are the hints, and their words are hidden in the box on the right side of the page. We will read the phrase and we will fill in the crosswords. So let's start. Number one is a type of bag. What is the word that we have studied in the poem? I gave I gave you the clue. It may start with S. A is already written. SA. What may be the next letter? T, C, H, E, L. Satchel. Satchel means bag. Now next is number 2. Reduce something to powder by crushing. You know, Giant said to the girl that he would crush her to powder. So what was the word? I gave you the clue G, and last letter is D. What may be the word? G R I N D. Grind. So grind means reduce something to powder by crushing. Number 3 is extremely hungry. So what is the word that was there in the poem? I gave you the clue R. What may be the next letter? R A V E N O U S. Ravenous. Ravenous means extremely hungry, very hungry. When you go back to your home after this home time, you feel ravenous. You feel very hungry at that time. Now, number 4, made better. What may be the word? C U R E D. Cured. To make better. To make healthy and fit. Cured. सेहतयाब हो जाना. Number 5, covered in lines and folds. W R I N K L E D. Wrinkled. You know, the witch's face was wrinkled. There were a lot of wrinkles on her face because of old age. Now, number 6, kept going. It is a bit lengthy word. Kept going. I give you the clue C. What may be the next letters? C O N T I N U E and D. Continued. Continued means kept going. Now, number 7, stuffed full. Stuffed full. B U L G E and D. Bulged. Bulged means swollen, सूजा हुआ. But here it means full. The satchel of the doctor was full of pills. So his bag was bulged with pills. Now, number 8. Number 8 is extreme anger. R A G E. Rage. Extremely angry. Rage. Gussa. Now, number 9. A type of bread. It is a bit lengthy word. You eat it at home, I told you yesterday. Z W I E B A C K. Zwieback. Zwieback means toasted bread or rusk. I'm sure you like to eat it. Number 10. Cry out loudly in horror. S C R E A M. Scream. Scream means cry out loudly in horror or excitement. Scream. So these are the words, and that's all of today's lecture. Dear students, it is a very important lecture and it is a very important question because there are 10 words meaning here. I'm sure you might have already written in your notebook, but learn all these words and their meanings. These are very important. That's all of today's lecture. Take care. Thank you very much.